Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the quickest controls. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager and confirm it isn't hidden by group policy or a malicious process. Once done, switch to more details and glance at CPU, memory, and disk spikes to identify culprits. Make sure to run a full antivirus scan and terminate clearly suspicious processes. This prevents interference with repairs. Next, log in as an administrator and prepare to run system tools. Those are the first actionable fixes that will reveal deeper issues. Now you tackle system-level integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to locate and repair corrupted system files. This often restores task manager functions. If SFC reports issues it can't fix, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth and then repeat SFC. Once system files are verified, inspect registry settings, navigate to hkcu/software/Microsoft/current version/policies/system and finish by isolating profile problems. Create a new administrator account and test Task Manager there. If it works, migrate data and retire the broken profile. If system corruption persists, use System Restore to a known good point or reset core system apps. As a last resort, perform an in-place repair install to preserve files. If you still see failure, boot into safe mode and rerun SFC and dism. This tip often succeeds because minimal drivers and services reduce interference and let repairs complete cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.